Hello everybody and welcome to another show from Echoes of Us. We're at Chevin Forest Park tonight and guess what we're doing? We're fucking walking! Hello everybody and welcome to, I bet you can't guess what my YouTube name is, can you? It's NAPM. Merch is out now, 80 grand for a hat, 100 grand for a hoodie, designed by Burberry. Hello everybody, welcome to another NAPM. Tonight we've decided to come to Chevin Forest Park, which is in Chevin Forest Park. There you go. We're going to have a wander around, we're going to see what we pick up, what we can find. I don't think I've ever been here, but I can hear rustling trees. What the hell's that? Got a bit sidetracked then. Yeah, basically what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the park, get a bit of its history, and we're going to see what we come up with. We've got different devices to use tonight. We've got a new one. Hopefully it will tune in and work and we can get you some actual proof for once. Chevin Forest Park is an ancient high ground used since prehistoric times, with Iron Age earthworks and long views that made it a lookout and boundary. Later quarrying carved into the hillside to build much of Otley and Leeds, leaving hidden drops and scarred ground now reclaimed by woodland. Old medieval routeways crossed this exposed land, used by travellers moving through the area in darkness and bad weather. Stories of strange lights, disorientation and an uneasy silence have given the Chevin a reputation as a place that feels unsettling after dark. And that's what we're here to find out. This light is fucking useless. I can't see jack shit. Should we see if we're getting out one thing? It's actually been useful in my life.
In fact, that's actually a good idea.
Does somebody want to try K2? Try not get it near mobiles on the camera because it will go off because of wireless mic. If there's anybody there, I've got a device in my hand. If you want to come through, please come through. Do you know where some is though? That's like really creepy music to walk to.
There's preconditions about quite old crimes by Bill Cosby, Harvey Weinstein, etc. I know the circumstances in which they could.
Is someone taking piss? Is someone taking piss? Hello, is anybody there?
It's not moved.
Let me step her back a bit. Right, I'm going to ask again, if there's anybody here who likes to communicate with us, we don't mean any harm or anything like that, so obviously you're allowed to show yourself. But it's referencing Barry. That's the person who controls my gearbox at Skoda. There's something here, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's creepy as fuck. Yeah, there's something in there. Just keep all that device if it comes through. Sorry, I know you've got loads, apologies. Lloyd, is anybody there? Do you want to come out? Show yourself. Yeah, I saw you. Is that what you want to do? Shows you here. Were they mental asylum around here? Even that fucking tree's creepy. Do you hear that? Like a whistle. Whoa. That's a car, never mind. Hello?
There's a device here if you want to come through and speak on it. Am I doing something wrong here?
We're going to try a call out. It's a bit of an old one, but I'm going to try and shout, see if I can conjure something up, because sometimes they'll come, sometimes they won't. It depends if it's out here.
Oh.
Can you hear kids?
I heard that then, yeah.
Please don't be ring a roses. That fucking never left me, that. We once did a place and we had kids singing ring a roses, which is the plague, basically. The black plague. Right. If there's anybody here and you can hear my voice, obviously because I'm quite loud and obnoxious, granted, can you please make yourself be known? Can you make a noise? Obviously in this world, there's not, or show yourself, which is fine, either one, but I prefer a noise, some of that we can hear. Again, if anybody's here, please let yourself be known. I mean, no harm. Just here to document what's in this woods. Or if you want to talk on this device in my hand, either way. If you're shy, talk on this device. If you're not, let yourself be known. Pluto. The fuck? Signal, apparently. They're gonna signal us. Okay, we're waiting. Let yourself be known. Do you hear that? Call it?
Yeah.
Right. Well, thanks for joining me on another NAPM. We're at Chevin Woods. We tried to get some evidence. There's quite a bit. It was good. Enjoyed it. Thank you to all the people that recently subbed. Really appreciate it. To all the other people that I keep subbed. Brilliant. I think that's it. I'll see you at the next one. Bye for now. Ho, 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 ho.